Dear students, welcome to you all. Today in this video I will discuss about division algorithm for polynomials and the solution of some questions from NCERT. Dear students, we had already discussed about relation between zeros and coefficients of a cubic polynomial. Again, we recall that we have if alpha, beta and gamma are the zeros of the cubic polynomial px equal to ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, where a not equal to 0 and a, b, c and d are real numbers. Then alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to minus b by a, alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equal to c by a, and alpha beta gamma is equal to minus d by a. Formation of a cubic polynomial whose zeros are alpha, beta and gamma is given by px is equal to k into x minus alpha into x minus beta into x minus gamma, or we can write px is equal to k into in bracket x cube minus in bracket alpha plus beta plus gamma into x square plus in bracket alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha into x minus alpha beta gamma, where k is any non-zero real numbers. Taking one example, verify that the numbers given below of cubic polynomial are their zeros. Also verify the relationship between the zeros and its coefficients. The polynomial is x cube plus 2x square minus x minus 2 and the zeros are 1 minus 1 minus 2. Means we have to show that 1 minus 1 and minus 2 are zeros of the given polynomial. Let us find the solution. Let px equal to x cube plus 2x square minus x minus 2. So, for zeros, we find the value of p1 and this is equal to 1 cube plus 2 into 1 square minus 1 minus 2, and after solving we get this is equal to 0. Again find p minus 1, this is equal to minus 1 whole cube plus 2 into minus 1 whole square minus into minus 1 minus 2, and after solving we get this is equal to 0. Similarly p minus 2 we get in bracket minus 2 whole cube plus 2 into minus 2 whole square minus into minus 2 minus 2, this is equal to, after solving we get 0. Since p1, p minus 1 and p minus 2 are 0, thus 1 minus 1 and minus 2 are the zeros of the polynomial px. Again, for verification the relationship between the zeros and its coefficient, let alpha is equal to 1, beta is equal to minus 1 and gamma is equal to minus 2. Then we have alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to 1 plus minus 1 plus minus 2, and we get this is equal to minus 2, and minus 2 can be written as minus 2 by 1, and this is equal to minus coefficient of x square by coefficient of x cube. Alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha equal to 1 into minus 1 plus minus 1 into minus 2 plus minus 2 into minus 1, and after solving we get minus 1, and minus 1 can be written as minus 1 by 1. This is equal to coefficient of x by coefficient of x cube, and product of alpha beta gamma equal to 1 into minus 1 into minus 2, and this is equal to 2, and this can be written as minus into in minus 2 by 1, and this is equal to minus constant term by coefficient of x cube. So in this way we can verify the relationship between the zeros and its coefficient. Taking example 2, find the cubic polynomial with the sum of products of its zeros taken 2 at a time and product of its zeros are 0, minus 7 and minus 6 respectively. Let us find the solution. Let the zeros of the required cubic polynomial be alpha, beta and gamma. Then alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to 0. Alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha equal to 0, and alpha beta gamma is equal to minus 6. These values are given in the question, that is sum of zeros equal to 0, sum of product of zeros taken 2 at a time, this is equal to 7, and product of zeros equal to minus 6. So the required cubic polynomial is k into in bracket x cube minus in bracket alpha plus beta plus gamma into x square plus in bracket alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha into x minus alpha beta gamma. Putting these values from above we get k into x cube minus 0 into x square plus minus 7 into x minus in bracket minus 6, and after solving we get x cube minus 7x plus 6, here taking the value of k equal to 1. Now let us discuss about division algorithm for polynomials. If px and gx are any two polynomials with gx not equal to 0, then we can find polynomials qx and rx such that px is equal to gx into qx plus rx, where rx is equal to 0 or degree of rx less than degree of gx. This result is known as the division algorithm for polynomials. It may also be written as dividend is equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. Here solving exercise 2.3 from NCERT. Question number 1, divide the polynomial px by the polynomial gx and find the quotient and remainder. Also verify the division algorithm. Dear students, here I add verify the division algorithm. It is not given in the question. There are 3 parts. I solve only second part, that is px is equal to x to the power 4 minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5 and gx is equal to x square plus 1 minus x. For solution, writing in descending powers of x, we get px is equal to x to power 4 plus 0 into x cube. Here the term x cube is not given, so we write 0 into x cube minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5, and gx is equal to x square minus x plus 1. Now we have, on dividing px by gx, means x to power 4 minus 0 into x cube minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5 is divided by x square minus x plus 1. In quotient, first we take the term x square, and x square minus x plus 1 is multiplied by x square, we get x to power 4 minus x cube plus x square, and we change the sign of these terms, that is plus x to the power 4 will be minus x to the power 4 minus x cube will be plus x cube plus x square will be minus x square, and after simplification we get x cube minus 4x square plus 4x plus 5. Again in quotient we take the term plus x and we multiply x square minus x plus 1 by x, we get x cube minus x square plus x, and we change the sign of this term, we get plus x cube that is equal to minus x cube minus x square that is plus x square plus x that is minus x, and after simplification we get minus 3x square plus 3x plus 5, and in quotient we take the term minus 3 and multiply x square minus x plus 1 by minus 3, we get minus 3x square plus 3x minus 3, and we change the sign of this term, we get plus 3x square minus 3x plus 3, and after simplification we get 8 as a remainder. Here degree of remainder Rx less than degree of divisor Gx. So quotient, that is Qx is equal to x square plus x minus 3, and remainder that is Rx is equal to 8. For the verification of division algorithm, we have divisor into quotient plus remainder, and this is equal to x square minus x plus 1 multiplied by x square plus x minus 3 plus 8, and we multiply divisor and quotient, we get x to power 4 plus x cube minus 3x square minus x cube minus x square plus 3x plus x square plus x minus 3 plus 8, and after simplification we get x to power 4 minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5, and this is equal to dividend. So in this way the division algorithm is verified. Dear students, the assignment is given, that is do exercise 2.3 from NCERT. Thank you.